you're stuck at 90% VA disability, you're actually closer to 100% than you think. But there are a few key mistakes that are probably holding you back. Before we dive in, please hit subscribe. I put out videos every week to help veterans navigate the VA system and actually get the benefits they've earned. I'm Todd Traczyk, a West Point graduate, combat veteran, founder of Benefits Beyond Service, and I work with veterans every day who are trying to break through that 90% ceiling. Let me tell you something right away. Going from 90% to 100%, it's not just another 10%. That's the biggest misconception. Because of how VA math works, once you hit 90%, every additional rating gets applied to a smaller remaining percentage. So that last jump is actually the hardest one to make. I worked with a veteran recently who had multiple conditions, back pain, sleep issues, migraines, and he kept filing new claims thinking he just needed a mere 10%, but nothing was moving the needle. And that leads to the second issue. Most veterans are filing the wrong claims. They're focusing on new primary conditions when the real opportunity is in secondary conditions. For example, PTSD leading to migraines, back issues leading to nerve pain, sleep problems tied to other conditions. Once we shifted his strategy and focused on secondaries, everything changed. Now the third issue, and this is a big one, it's documentation. The VA, it's not denying you because they don't believe you. They're denying you because you didn't prove your case the way they require. That means medical evidence, clear documentation, and strong supporting statements. I've seen veterans with real conditions get denied simply because their file didn't clearly tell the story. Then we reorganize everything, connect the dots, and suddenly they get approved. I had another veteran who was stuck at 90% for years. Nothing changed medically. We didn't add anything new. We just structured the claim correctly, strengthened the documentation, and tied everything together. He got to 100%. Same conditions, different strategy. So if you're stuck at 90%, understand this. It's not random. It's not bad luck. It's strategy. If you want help figuring out your next move, I've got a free VA claim starter kit below. And if you want to go deeper, you can book a call with me and I'll walk you through exactly what your situation looks like.